गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों, कैसे हैं? आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल। सो लास्ट क्लास में हमने पढ़ा था ऑर्गेनल्स के बारे में। वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड दैट मेम्ब्रेन बाउंडेड स्ट्रक्चर प्रेजेंट इन सेल इज कॉल्ड ऑर्गेनल, and basically we divide organelle into three category: single membranous, double membranous and membraneless. So single membranous में हमने देखा था endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, lysosome, vacuoles, etc. In non-membranous we have already discussed its ribosome, its nucleolus, centriole that is present in animal cell. So today we are going to discuss about the double membranous organelle. In this category, there is three major organelle. One of them is mitochondria. You already know about this. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Second one is chloroplast. Third one is nucleus. Mitochondria present in plant cell as well as animal cell. In all cell mitochondria present except prokaryotic cell. No membrane bounded organelle present in prokaryotic cell. In all eukaryotic cell mitochondria is present. Those cells which are physiologically more active, where number of mitochondria is more. You know that why it is called powerhouse of the cell. We also give the term powerhouse. Why we call it powerhouse? Because it is the site of aerobic respiration where ATP is produced. ATP is the currency of the cell which provide energy. For every action we need energy, and site of energy production in eukaryotic cell is mitochondria. So it is called powerhouse of the cell. Next is chloroplast. Chloroplast is also a double membranous structure. Chloroplast present in all green plants, all green part of the plant like young stem. It is present in the mesophyll cell of the leaf. In mesophyll cell, its number may be 20 to 40. It is a very important organelle. Chloroplast is the organelle where oxygen is produced. Mitochondria is the organelle where oxygen is consumed in aerobic respiration, and this is the site of the production of the oxygen by the process of photosynthesis. Oxygen is the net product of photosynthesis. Next is nucleus. It is called brain of the cell. All the activities of the cell is controlled by the nucleus. It contains DNA, it contains genetic material in the form of chromosome. So in detail we are going to each and every organelle step by step. First of all, we are going to discuss about the mitochondria. So first of all, I am going to draw the diagram, then I will explain it. As we know that mitochondria is a double membranous structure, so it is surrounded by double membrane. Outer membrane is smooth, inner membrane has a finger-like projection toward the matrix, and outer membrane possesses porins which are made up of protein. Inner membrane possesses oxysome. Inner membrane possesses oxysome, and this area is filled with the fluid, and that fluid is called matrix. This contains so many enzymes, circular DNA, 70S ribosome. You know one characteristic feature about the mitochondria? It shows similarity with the prokaryotic cell. Why it shows similarity? Because of the presence of porins, because of the presence of circular DNA that is similar with the prokaryotic cell, and presence of 70S ribosome. 70S ribosome किसमें देखने को मिलता है बच्चों? It is found in bacteria, and bacteria represent prokaryotic cell. Circular DNA, it is also present in prokaryotic cell. So due to these features, mitochondria show similarity with the prokaryotic cell. Next, as we know that this is the site of respiration. This is the site of the production of the ATP. So where all these processes takes place? Okay, one thing. This space is called intermembrane space. This is called inner mitochondrial membrane. This is called outer membrane. This finger-like projection is called cristae, and this is called oxysome. This is called oxysome, and this region contains so many enzymes, and most important process of the respiration, that is a Krebs cycle, which also takes place in matrix of the mitochondria. Krebs cycle कहाँ पर होती है बच्चों? Krebs cycle की साइट क्या है? मैट्रिक्स ऑफ दी माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. आपको पता है एटीपी का प्रोडक्शन जो होता है वो भी माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में होता है. वेयर इज एटीपी प्रोड्यूस? सो प्रोडक्शन ऑफ एटीपी इज कॉल्ड फॉस्फोराइलेशन, एंड यहाँ पे जो फॉस्फोराइलेशन हो रहा है विच विल टेक्स प्लेस बाय द ऑक्सीडेशन, बाय द ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ द product which is produced in a Krebs cycle, produced in a link reaction, produced in a glycolysis, that we will study in respiration in detail. So cristae या inner mitochondrial membrane जो होती है, यहाँ पर ETS होता है, electron transport system. Electron transport system is made up of the 5 complex, and here the 4th complex on which